Hi friends, Sangeeta here and I'm back with another video. In this video, I am going to share with you how to edit a video thumbnail. Like what is a thumbnail? Like when you open your YouTube homepage, you find various pictures that is related to various videos. So when you click on the thumbnail or on that picture, the video opens and you can view that video. So definitely editing a video thumbnail is a task and it should be done properly. If you see my videos, my video is quality is not that great, but I try to give a bit more effort on editing the thumbnail of any video that I do. So I use to edit my thumbnail. The first one is Photor, that is Fotor, Photor. I'll try to put the links below in the description box if you want to know. And the next one is Taz, Taaz, Taz. So the first one is Photor. So let me start with the Photor one, that is the basic one that I use to edit my thumbnail, and I also use that to filter my pictures a bit. So what I do is first I click pictures, like for example if I have done a video, so I try to take out pictures or important portions and take screenshots of that and save it, and then I choose important pictures and see which one is the best, which I can put in the collage of the thumbnail. And once that is done, I'm happy with the pictures. That is the most important, to be happy with the pictures that you are going to put on the thumbnail and which you think is very attractive and can attract the viewers to view your videos. So that is number one. Once you're done with that, you are going to open Photor. Like I think most of the YouTubers actually use PicMonkey, but I have never used that. I have started with using Photor and I am so much satisfied that I use Photor only, and sometimes I use Taz. So I'll get into that part later on. So once you're happy with the pictures, what you do is you log into Photor and then you upload those pictures on Photor. Now on Photor you can edit your pictures as well as make collage. So what I do, I upload my pictures, and most of the time what I do is I make collages there only. So if I'm happy with suppose 2 or 3 pictures or 4 pictures, like what I would suggest people do use 5, 6, 7, 8, like much more and more pictures in collage. But if you want your thumbnail to look very attractive and very nice and understandable, legible, so you can choose 2 to 3 pictures or to maximum to 4 pictures, because if you put more and more pictures in a very small thumbnail, nothing will be legible, nothing will be understandable, nobody will be like that thumbnail. So try to keep it simple and understandable. So what I do is I upload those 3 to 4 pictures which I want to put in the collage of the thumbnail, and then continue editing. Like I go to collage and then I select the way, like there are various options, like you can go for 2 or 3, like the various types of options for the collages. So I go for example, if I can go for 3 or 4 at times, I do select as per the shape of my pictures or the sizes of my pictures, so that it suits the collage, and then I bring the pictures on the thumbnail to make the collage, like on the collage to make the thumbnail, and then I try to put a bit of effects. Like there is an effect button on which you can click and you can view various kinds of filters of that picture. You can click on the one which you like and edit it that way, and once you are happy with the collage, you can save the picture and you can produce it as your thumbnail. So that is what I do on Photor, and most of the time. And you can also add text or various kinds of effect, or you can resize or crop the picture on Photor as well. That is what I do, what I like doing on Photor. Plus what I do in Taz is, suppose I take a picture in which there is some kind of fault. Obviously there can be various kinds of fault in picture, for but not on of products but of myself. Like if you find me on the thumbnail and you think that I'm not looking very great on that picture. You might not like it, you might not click it. So the trick is, suppose if you are a YouTuber and you want to make your thumbnails look good, what you can do is go to Taz, and if you are not happy with the clicked picture of yourself, you can go to Taz and you can fix your picture there, because Taz serves with various kinds of options, like of makeup options as well, and you can do what kind of filter you want to do on your face. So once you're happy with filtering or fixing whatever flaws you have on your face, you can save that on your computer. Then you can go to Photor, and then you can make the collage and different kinds of editing, adding text and whatever kinds of emojis you want to add, you can do it there. So that is the complete combination. The most important is the Photor one, because you might or might not need to use Taz, but Photor what I would suggest to go for, because it is an amazing website where I go and edit my thumbnails. I really like using Photor, not only for making thumbnails, but I use Photor for editing some of my pictures also. So Photor is the one which I definitely would suggest you to use. And Taz is definitely, it's not compulsory, but if you are not happy with your own pictures, or you think there is some kind of flaw in your pictures, like your own face suppose, then only you can go to Taz and edit that, and that will help you a lot to make a really good thumbnail which will attract the viewers, and they will click on the video and watch it. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Do let me in the comments below what kind of videos you want me to do, and also follow me on my Facebook and Twitter pages. I have talked about 2 websites in this video. I'll try to put the links below in the description box. So if you have liked this video, do give this video a thumbs up and support this channel by subscribing to it, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.